Biological safety cabinet.
So you guys are going to work with one of these tubes. I'm going to show you what, I have mine. Let's see if I have contamination or not. So the first thing that you need to do is to label the tubes. So I will put my initials, and then I have to move this over here, but you can put your initials, whoever is doing the work. So everything that you see here, the transfer pipettes, the inoculating loops, the yeast culture, these are the yeasts. Oh, it has contamination, see? So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to take from this side and it will be okay. Now, and this is the culture medium that I am going to use, YEPD. This is sterile too. Now, when you have something like this, see, in sleeve, you have to open this from the side, right? That you are not going to use, that you can touch with your hands. But it sounds silly, but it's important. I am going to put a tiny little bit of yeast, right? I'm going to take, not this one, from this side. So I want to use a tiny little loop, you see? So I cannot touch that. So I'm going to open from this side. The same thing for the transfer pipettes. I am going to, right, press over here. I cannot touch the tip. So I have to open this from this side. Seems silly, but it's not. If you make a mistake and open from the wrong side, you have to throw it away and get a new one. So we are going to work here. The only thing, open this, lights, and ready. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to put this inside. This is my tube. I am going to put this inside. I am going to put this inside, upside down, this and this. And I will leave for you. Now, you guys can reuse this, but I will show you. Okay, we can use one. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to transfer the liquid culture medium to the tube. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open this, right? But I will leave the cap, right, to protect this from contamination. Then what you do is you can do the same thing here, carefully. You have an accident, doesn't matter. Okay, now as I said, do this. Separate the two sides, like this. Okay? And grab the transfer pipette. Then get this should be enough. So open this like that, upside down. Don't touch the mouse. Should be enough, 3 milliliters more than enough. Should be, then put this back loose, and we are going to do this, okay? I had to do this like this, so we side material. Then I want the little loop, so the same thing. Open like this, get the loop, get my yeast. I will get a little bit from here. No more. Little bit. Get the tube inside, shake. That's it. And so I will give you the sleeve, okay? Loose. Has two positions, loose. You don't see anything, but that's the purpose of the experiment, right? The yeast is there, but you want them to grow, meaning to reproduce. So don't put too much, otherwise you won't see the difference, okay? And Dr. Costillera will, then, this is today. and we will look at this 2 days from now. So I'm going to throw this away.